Do you want to make $100 a day using AI? In 2025, artificial intelligence has made it easier than ever to earn money online, even if you're a complete beginner. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how you can use AI-powered tools to generate income daily with little to no upfront investment. AI is transforming the way people work, and if you take advantage of it now, you can build a profitable online business with minimal effort. Whether it's automating tasks, generating content, or offering AI-based services, there are plenty of ways to make money using AI. One of the easiest ways to start earning is through AI-powered freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to offer services using AI tools even if you have no prior experience. AI can handle most of the work for you, making it possible to deliver professional quality results in record time. Tools like ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for graphic design, and 11 Labs for voiceovers help create high-quality content in minutes. Many freelancers charge anywhere from $10 to $100 per task, and by completing just a few tasks a day, you can easily reach $100 or more. The demand for AI-assisted services is growing, meaning now is the perfect time to start. Another great way to make money is through AI-generated content. Blogs, YouTube videos, and social media posts can be created using AI tools like Jasper, Pictory, and Canva. You don't need to appear on camera or even write your own scripts. AI can generate everything for you. By starting a faceless YouTube channel, creating viral TikTok videos, or managing an automated blog, you can earn passive income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The more content you produce, the more income opportunities you unlock. With AI doing most of the work, scaling your content becomes effortless. Selling AI-generated digital products is another profitable option. AI allows you to create eBooks, templates, workbooks, online courses, and even digital art in minutes. Websites like Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable let you sell these products worldwide. Since digital products require no inventory or shipping, each sale is nearly 100% profit. You can use AI to write an ebook in a single day or generate unique designs that sell repeatedly. Once you set up an online store, AI automation tools handle customer interactions, making this a great passive income stream. Affiliate marketing with AI is another smart way to generate income. AI can help you write product reviews, create blog posts, and automate sales copy. By promoting products from Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale, you earn commissions on every sale made through your referral link. AI-powered SEO tools like Surfer SEO and Rank Math optimize your content for Google rankings, driving more traffic and increasing earnings. With AI-generated blogs and automated email marketing, you can create a system that runs 24/7 without constant input. AI chatbots and automation tools can also help you make money by providing businesses with customer support, lead generation, or sales assistance. Companies are willing to pay for AI-driven solutions that save them time and improve efficiency. You can create and sell AI-powered chatbots using tools like ManyChat, ChatFuel, or OpenAI's API. Some freelancers charge hundreds of dollars per chatbot setup, and once deployed, these bots generate income with little to no maintenance. Making $100 a day with AI is easier than ever. The key is picking a method, staying consistent, and scaling your efforts over time. Whether you choose freelancing, content creation, digital products, affiliate marketing, or AI automation, artificial intelligence gives you the tools to succeed faster than ever before. The most important step is to start now. The sooner you take action, the sooner you can build a sustainable income stream using AI. The future is here, and AI is your ticket to financial freedom.